Hello, I'm Flora. Today we have got the Mavic 2 Pro for unboxing and to test out. This is the Pro version and has a Hasselblad camera of 20 megapixels with 1-inch sensor. The Mavic 2 Pro has 31 minutes flight time, currently the longest flight time for a consumer drone, so let's unbox it. We have got the controller. Looks to be the same that the previous version and is almost identical to the Mavic Air. Removable sticks are in the remote grip like the Mavic Air. We can utilize the switch on the remote of the Mavic 2 Pro for standard, sport or tripod mode. Here is our drone Mavic 2 Pro. In the box include the aircraft, remote controller, power cable, propellers, USB adapter, control stick pair, and RC cables multiple versions. The Mavic 2 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing. That means has obstacle sensor on all sides of the aircraft. Sensing for left and right direction were only available in active track or tripod mode, but with the last updates of 11th of October, the side sensors are enabled in quick shots and more specifically in triangle, helix and boomerang. The brand new 1-inch sensor has an active sensing area 4 times more effective than the previous Mavic Pro, capturing more information in every pixel for better dynamic range and low light performance. The aircraft shoots stable aerial shots and processes them automatically to a hyperlapse. To fully charge the 13815 mAh new battery will take about 1.5 hours. Before to take off, remember to download all app and firmware updates. Let's try it outside. Today the weather is nice, our new battery is full charged, the app and firmware are updated, so let's utilize the Mavic 2 and test it. Thanks for watching our videos. We work hard to make sure you keep coming back for the content we produce. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and you will be notified whenever a new video goes public.